What's up, kids? I'm taking a break from all my leaf card breaks. Leaf everywhere. Leaf everywhere. I'm running out of space. I'm gonna back up. There we go. So I'm taking a little break out of my leaf and I'm going in for another Bowman's Best. Like, how could I not? I've pulled the Soto Atomic to 25, the Acuna Gold on card to 50. I mean, how can I not just get one more shot at Bowman's Best? Just one more. Just one more. Seriously, this probably will be the last one, though. I think this is actually my... is it the third or fourth? I haven't pulled crazy good stuff out of everyone, but out of two of them, it was lights out. And I'm hoping for similar results here, although I know it's not very realistic. But with the luck I've had lately, I mean, there's just no telling what might happen. If you subscribe to the channel, or even if you don't, I would always, I'd always be checking back if I'm opening some Bowman's Best, because the odds are good something crazy might come out. Well, the odds aren't good. That's an exaggeration. It's very possible. Is that probably the better way to word it? It's very possible that something exciting might come of it. Wow, these are stuck in here like glue. Wow. Huh. It's good they're well protected. Alright, put stack box one over there. I definitely like to do these one box at a time. As you know, there are 2 autos per mini box, which is why some people break them up and sell them by mini boxes, because you just tell people you're going to get 2 autographs. Okay, but yeah, but the thing with that is, if you're going to get one, there's usually just one really good one, so you don't know which of the mini boxes it's going to be in. They could pull something crazy out of one of the mini boxes and just say, hey, I'm stopping here and going to sell the other mini box. So honestly, it's probably not a good deal. If you're gonna buy it, probably just best to go for the whole box. Alright, enough blabby. Let's get into this. Alright, Soraka rookie, Walker Buehler rookie, Aaron Judge, Power Producers Kyle Lewis, and a Joey Votto refractor. I love that these cards are sturdier since I have a habit of dropping them. Alright, Kimbrel. I pull a lot of Kimbrel out of this. And Harrison Bader. Justin Verlander. A Alvarez refractor autograph. It's the first auto. This is not numbered. So there's the first hit. And Rosario refractor. Arenado. I pull a lot of Arenado and Kyle Tucker too. If you go back and watch my other videos, you'll see I pull a ton of those players. Sweet. Soto Best Performers. I dig these cards. There is an Atomic Ryan Weathers Best Performers. Those are extra sweet. And then a Correa refractor. Man, look at that. I should try to put together that set. Just be a small set. Alright, Jimenez and Taylor Trammell, Christian Posh, early indications, a purple Acuna rookie to 250. That is a nice card. Wow, I love that. That really looks good. Sweet. And the last one was Andrew McCutchen refractor, which he looks insane in a Yankees uniform. It's so weird. I'll always see him as a Pirate. Oop, I dropped it. Alright, 2 more packs. We're still looking for one more autograph here. So there's Brendan Rodgers, Jose Abreu, Flaherty. Is this? Yeah. It's Casey Mize, baby. Corey Kluber, refractor is the last one. Dang, it's too bad this is not a refractor, but this is still obviously a very nice card to pull out of here. Sweet. If we could have just flip-flopped and had this be the plane and this be the refractor. But again, I'm not complaining. I'm definitely not complaining. Alright, last pack. So is that going to be the best auto out of the box? We shall see. Very well could be. Lindor, Dozier, Ahmed Rosario rookie, Singer best performers, and a Didi Gregorius refractor. Okay. Mini box number 2. Move my autographs in case I drop any cards. And that purple Acuna, which is super sweet. What do we got going on here? Scherzer, Sixto, Alberto's early indications, Jimenez power producers, and Segura refractor. Connor Scott, Christian Yelich, an Ohtani rookie, and a Royce Lewis autograph. Wow. So Casey Mize and Royce Lewis. I'll take it. Sweet. Justin Upton refractor. Nick Williams rookie. Laboratory, Brendan McKay, Ryan Weathers best performers, and a Goldschmidt refractor. Bowman's best is just like the gift that keeps on giving for me. I mean, it's hard to stop buying it because it just keeps on delivering. Austin Meadows, Chris Sale, and Aaron Judge atomic refractor. Very nice. Wow, okay, yes. Man, that is sweet. There's an Acuna Neophyte Sensations rookie. I like it. And Syndergaard refractor. I like that as well. 2 more packs. There's going to be 1 more autograph. Probably in this pack. We'll see. That's how it kind of has ended up being. Giancarlo, Juan Soto rookie, Rhys Hoskins rookie. It is Cole Winn. Texas Rangers pitcher, not numbered, not refractor. Cole Winn. And Swaggerty refractor. And the last pack. Blake Snell, Grayson Rodriguez, Anthony Rizzo best performers, Florial early indications, and a Michael Kopech refractor. Oh, another really solid box. I mean, there wasn't a Soto atomic refractor, but it was still pretty dang good. The highlights are the Cole Winn refractor, Alvarez, not refractor, autograph, sorry, plain autograph. The Alvarez refractor autograph. Acuna purple refractor rookie. Royce Lewis on card base auto. Aaron Judge atomic refractor. And the Casey Mize base on card autograph. And then a good number of inserts. This little baby. Lots of good refractors. Another win for Bowman's Best. Another double thumbs up. I don't know how I can quit you, Bowman's Best. I mean, you just keep loving me, and as long as you do, I just don't think we can break up. You can try to run away, but I'm just gonna need you to come right back, because you and I were meant to be. And that's all I have to say about that. It's just how it is. So Okay, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of future videos. I'd said busting the leaf boxes was kind of the big surprise. That isn't exactly done, and I'm cooking up some other stuff too. I want to do an update video on the panini non-redemption fiasco. I may do some other videos now that I've got some leaf redemptions to do. A couple of other interesting things, some purchases I'm gonna make, and just some different stuff to kind of shake things up. I know box breaks are fun. That's ultimately what we're all here for, because it's just fun to open boxes and fun to watch them be opened. But it's gonna be fun to do some other stuff too. So thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you all, and I'll be back soon.